Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. N'ụbọchị taa, anyị si ka anyị leba anya mkpụrụ okwu ndị eji ekwukarị okwu n'Igbo. That is some commonly used words in Igbo language. In the past days, in the past videos, we have looked at the alphabet, we have looked at the consonants, we have looked at the vowels. There are other things to still look at into those alphabets to enable us get the full understanding and pronunciation of the Igbo alphabet and the use of them in words and sentences. But we kept that aside for today. Let's look at the commonly used words in Igbo language. Na anyị ga-asị mkpụrụ okwu ndị eji asụkarị asụsụ n'Igbo. Ebe ọ bụ na ndị Igbo nọ, ọ bụ na ha na-ekwu okwu, ọ bụrụgodị na ị naghị aghọta Igbo, ọ bụ na ịnụ okwu ndị a, ị ga-ama na ndị Igbo na-asị bịa, bịa. Ị ga-ahụ na ha na-asị gịnị na-eme gị, kedu. Okwu ndị a bụgasị mkpụrụ okwu dị n'Igbo. They are single words. Some of them are single words, but at the same time serve as sentences. That single word sentence. Like we say, bia, come. Without further explanation, the person you're talking to already knows that it's an instruction. Come, and the person begins to come. Bia, come. Now, bia, take action. Bia and come. Kedu, how? How are you? Kedu, how are you? That is a single word, but a sentence. Obugini, what is it? Obugini, some people can go further to say, Ogini. That is, this book will now become silent. Say, Ogini. It is still the same thing. What is it? Mma, beauty, fine, good. Just like someone will say, how are you? You say fine. Or you look at somebody and say, oh, you're beautiful. Oh, this is beauty. That is mma. Beauty, fine, good. They all mean the same thing. Mmiri, water. Ego, money. Nne, mother. Nne, of course, we all know that we value our mothers and our fathers. Nne, money. Sorry, that's the slip of tongue. Nne, mother. Nna, father. Nwa, child. Nwanne, sibling. And in Igbo language, we don't have particular words for analyzing uncle, auntie, cousin, and all that. So once you say nwanne, know that you are related by blood. So it could be your cousin. You can now say, this is the child of my sister, or my cousin, the child of my brother, or my niece, my nephew. All that are enclosed in one name. If you now want to go into the explanation, you can say one name, the child of my brother or the child of my sister. But one name generally means sibling. Nwoke, male figure, is nwoke. Nwanyị, female. As you're pronouncing these words, I want you to be watching the vowels and the consonants. They are mixture. You can see the E and the A. So just like that, in time we get to understand more and pronounce better. Enyi, maọbụ oyi. They call it enyi or oyi. That means friend. Yes. In Abia, are you coming? Mean, are you coming? Yes. If you ever tell me ego, will you bring me money? Yes. That is yes. Mba. Will you eat food? No. Mba. That is mba. Or no. No. Welcome. No. Welcome. Ga nke ọma or ije ọma, or you say nabo, that is go well. Safe trip, safe journey. That is ga nke ọma, or you say ije ọma maọbụ nabo. Njem is travel or journey. That is what we call njem. Obodo, town. Ụlọ, maọbụ ụnọ. House, ụlọ, ụnọ, house. Oji, black, ocha, white. Dalo, thank you. At the same time, I say Dalo for watching me. God bless you. Wait for another video.